Thai court disbands political party for nominating princess. The Washington Post. The Constitutional Court also banned members of the Thai Raksa Chart Party's executive board from political activity for 10 years. The ruling raised fresh questions about the fairness of the upcoming election, the first since a military coup toppled a democratically elected government in May 2014. Thai Raksa Chart on February 8 nominated Princess Yubal Ratana Mahidol as its candidate in the March 24 polls. Her brother, Thai Raksa Chart, is aligned with former Prime Minister Thaksin Shinawatra, whose allied parties have won every national election since 2001 but have twice been toppled in coups. The latest election, the Constitutional Court, is one of the most conservative institutions in Thailand and has consistently ruled against Thaksin and his allies. Its statement explaining Thursday's ruling was even more critical of the party's action than the king had been. It appeared to ascribe as legal justification for the nomination. The party had pointed out that she held no formal royal titles because they were rescinded when she married a foreigner, an American, in 1972. The 9-judge panel spurned such reasoning, following instead the king's line of argument that even though she relinquished her title according to royal laws, she still retains her status and position as a member of the Chakri dynasty. The court voted unanimously to dissolve the party, and by a vote of 6-3 for the political ban on its executive members. Thursday's ruling was the third time a court has dissolved a political party associated with Thaksin on grounds that his supporters believe were slim and politically motivated. Two predecessor Thai Raksa Chart leader Prechapal Pongpanat avowed his group's loyalty to the king and the monarchy after Thursday's ruling. I and the party's executives have the utmost regret over the party's dissolution, which affects the fundamental political rights and freedom of the party members and the people, he said. Thanking their support, Yubal Ratana gave a brief reaction Thursday evening to the dissolution, responding, "So I have heard. It's sad and depressed." Soon after the king's statement last month, the Election Commission disqualified Yubal Ratana's nomination and forwarded to the court its recommendation that the party be dissolved because its candidate was in conflict with the system of rule of democracy with king as head of state. Yubal Ratana's nomination was a stunning move, not only because it would have broken a taboo on a senior member of the royal family running for public office, but also because it would have allied her with a party considered by many royalists to be unsympathetic to the monarchy. The army cited Thaksin's populist policies delivered unmatchable electoral majorities, but he was resented by the traditional ruling class, including royalists and the military. Thaksin went in. The leader of the ruling junta and Prime Minister, Prayuth Chan-ocha, is seeking to become Prime Minister again after the election, though he is not running for a seat in Parliament. One of the new laws passed under military rule allows non-lawmakers to become Prime Minister in a vote by the upper and lower house. The upper house, Yubal Ratana's nomination was initially thought of as a clever move by Thaksin to outmaneuver the new electoral rules. But when the king issued, the ruling leaves the main pro-Thaksin party, Pheu Thai, in the race. But because of in an analysis made ahead of the ruling, Projak Kongkirti, who teaches political science at Thammasat University, predicted that dissolution would weaken the Thaksin side significantly. The chance of Thaksin's side winning the election and forming the government is still possible, Prajak said. But, if the however, there is also speculation that Thai Raksa Chart supporters may be energized by the perception their side is being victimized again by the anti-Thaksin establishment, and they may offer important support for parties with a similar anti-military stance, even if they are not pro-Thaksin. Associated Press writer Kaiwitka Idajinda contributed to this report. Copyright 2019 The Associated Press. All rights reserved.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park pot.